Mom and Dad,
What is it, Jordyn?
can I go see the fireworks with my friends?
Absolutely not.
Why not?
Because you are still grounded.
But Daddy, I wanted to go see the fireworks. Please let me go.
Jordyn, the answer is no.
I agree with your father. Go to your room now.
Fine. This isn't freaking fair. I wanted to go see the fireworks, but my parents won't let me. What should I do? That's it. I am going to sneak out of the house and go see the fireworks with my friends. Ha 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 ha. But it's only 5 p.m., and the fireworks start at 7 p.m., so I'll have to wait.
2 horas después.
This is it. It's 7 p.m., and it's time to sneak out of the house. Ouch, that hurt. Now let's go to Joe's corner to go see the fireworks.
When Jordyn got to Joe's corner.
Hi everybody.
Oh hey Jordyn, you made it.
We are so glad you're here.
Yeah. I'm so excited to see the fireworks.
We are excited to see. Everybody ready?
Yes.
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 The fireworks will start in 3, 2, 1. After the fireworks ended,
That was awesome. It was cool to see the fireworks. Well, I gotta go home. I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
cuando Jordyn llegó a casa,
Jordyn, where were you been? We've been looking all over for you.
I went to go see the fireworks with my friends.
Jordyn Parker, we told you not to go see the fireworks with your friends while grounded, but you disobeyed us. That's it. You're even more grounded until the end of July.
Now march your pink ass up to your room right now, you worthless pink-haired piece of fucking shit.
Why?
Happy Independence Day, also known as 4th of July. This is Loco for Life 818 2.0, signing off.